when color meets technology. And when chemistry embraces environmental protection. Do you really know? The coat that smears the surface of all things every day. Today, let's to the production side of the original paint manufacturer to uncover the mystery of paint production. Here is the industrial steel armor. Our industrial paint is anti-corrosion and anti-rust. It is resistant to harsh environments and makes cars shine. Car paint is weather resistant, making every trip shine like new. Here is the breathing texture of solid wood. Wood paint is environmentally friendly and odorless, preserving the natural touch. It is also the safe wall for thousands of families. Architectural paint can be painted and lived in, and your heart's poetry and distance. Of course, there is also our black technology nano coating, giving the surface the superpower of self-cleaning and stain-proofing. The secret lies in every precise formula. From the strict selection of raw materials to high-speed dispersion and fine grinding, we don't miss any micron-level flaws. Engineers in the R&D center work day after day, AI-ming to balance the golden ratio of environmental protection and performance. The automated central control system, ensuring that each batch of products is stable. The source manufacturer is not only a guarantee of quality, but also flexible cooperation. Whether you are looking for stable supply of bulk, wholesale, or high-end customization of your own brand, or want to do your own brand packaging design, or logistics and delivery, we offer one-stop OEM service. For every idea of yours, we will turn it into reality with technology. Next, let's take a look at this manufacturer that produces wood paint and nano coatings. Go to the source of paint production. Cut out middle links directly to the factory. Master core technology, customized production and delivery. Allow you to master each link. We are a source coating factory. We are not only the manufacturer of paint, but also your business partner.